If you can get these 3 steps right, then your trading will be completely off to the races and your account balance will skyrocket. So in this video, I'm going to take my 10 years of experience in trading and condense it into 3 steps which I'd follow if I was starting from complete scratch with 0 experience. I'm a professional trader and I also help clients all over the world to be consistently profitable from their 20s to 70s. And I'm going to share with you the same 3-step process which I share with them. Starting with level 1, the focus is simply to get going. And if you're starting trading from complete scratch with 0 experience, then one of the biggest hurdles you likely encounter is just starting. And I would recommend beginning by covering key market concepts like market structure, candlestick and chart patterns, and also liquidity and supply and demand. And this should act as a good foundation for you. But just because you cover these things, don't think you're some kind of Avenger or X-Man. No, this is just the beginning. You'll eventually realize that real life is very different to textbook. You'll likely be terrible initially, but that's okay. It takes time to get good, just like any skill. Think back to when you were a baby and transitioning from crawling to walking. Initially you failed, but do you think you were like, listen, mom, dad, I've tried this walking, but I'm just not cut out for the shit? No, you persisted and eventually you could walk. And it's similar to trading. Maybe you're overthinking or worried how people at work will react, but that thinking just holds you back. And in my own situation many years ago, I was balancing my training to be a doctor with trading, and I faced judgment and criticism from others. But trading is my passion, and it's enabled me to leave my career as a doctor and live life on my own terms. So trading has really changed my life. And now those same people that criticize me are now saying, Kieran, how do I get involved in trading? The real truth is that nobody cares. People are so busy with their own life that they often don't have time to think about you. And most people just want the version of you that best serves them. When your why for trading is so big, the how just becomes much easier. So after doing level 1, you'll be faced with a choice. Do you want to have a casual relationship with trading? So maybe just opening a trade when you feel like, or a serious one? And for a serious relationship with trading, you would have to focus on weekly learning. Just like if you were in a relationship with a partner, you'd see them once a week at least, I'd hope. And if you're busy with work or family commitments, just work with what you have. Even if it's just dedicating 1 hour a week for learning trading. A casual hookup rarely leads to any substantial success in trading. And once you've done all of this, you're ready for the next stage. With level 2, the focus shifts towards getting good. Here, you should be practicing trading on a demo account, so virtual money. So you can learn practical aspects of trading execution. So entering a stop loss, take profit, position sizing, risk management. And this will really help to improve your confidence, but also learn lessons as cheaply as possible without paying the market, because that's not the kind of donation that you want to make. In this part of the relationship, you're getting to know more about trading, refining your skills, and developing your trading strategy. But of course, you can't trade on a demo account forever. And once you're consistently profitable on a demo account, I recommend opening a small $100, $200 account. Nothing crazy, just whatever you're comfortable with. So this way you're more invested in your trading decisions, because trading execution and psychology is 80% of trading. And when you pay attention. So by doing this, you're able to actually make mistakes, but at the same time, learn as cheaply as possible. The hardest part of trading is that it's you against yourself, and you'll be battling against emotions and FOMO. But what I love most about trading is that it teaches you so much about yourself as a person. Beyond level 2, you'll be faced with the ultimate choice. Do you want to treat trading like a hobby or a business? So think of it like a spectrum, with 0 being a hobby and 10 being a business. Where would you say you stand? And by the way, you can't pick 5. If you chose more towards a business, which I would if I was in your situation, then you're ready for level 3. Level 3, work smart and scale. Hopefully by now, your relationship with trading is a business. And thinking like a business means we need to build reliable processes and systems. So think back to when you were a child and went to McDonald's. Regardless of which one you went to in the world, you got pretty much an identical experience because of the effective systems they built. Their operations were so well structured that anyone, even a 16-year-old, could step in on the job and deliver identical results. And this mindset should really be carried over to trading. A crucial aspect of this is having a statistical edge in your trading. So a strategy that comes up profitable across 100, 200, and 1,000 trades. Because anybody can make money in the markets here and there, but without actual statistics backing your trades, you're going to give back money to the markets in the long run. And you don't have to overcomplicate this. You can keep this simple. However, developing a strategy can take 2 to 10 years, depending on how much time you have. And if you're a busy professional or entrepreneur and struggling to be profitable and want help with your trading, then click the link in the description below. And once you're consistent with your trading system, you can focus on scaling. And one way to do that is by drip feeding a portion of your paycheck into your trading account. And in my own situation, I actually initially funded my trading account by working various part-time jobs and side hustles. And now you don't even need to trade your own money as well. You can scale up and access more capital as well. And my own clients, I help them to be profitable, but also scale to 6-7 figures in more funding and prop from capital as well. So once you're profitable, doors can really open for you and you really can focus on the process. If you can consistently make 3% on a $1,000 account, that's $30. On a $100K account, that's $3,000. On a $1 million account, that's $30,000, and so on and so forth. And what I love most about trading is that it's just so scalable and it's a recession-proof skill. Of course, we should follow other systems as well, like putting alerts at key levels to avoid FOMO or overtrading, and following a trading checklist is important as well. But I also think it's important to have the end game in mind. So are you trading to live or living to trade? 3-5 years from now, do you want to be trading on the lower time frames? So 1 minute, 5 minute, maybe 30-40 hours per week? Or do you want to be trading max 4 to 8 hours, 10 hours per week? So more swing trades and fit trading around your lifestyle. And so I think it's really important to consider these things and reverse engineer your trading to achieve those outcomes. So me personally, I mostly swing trade, so using the 4-hour bias and entering on the lower time frames. And this way, I feel like I'm not a slave to the charts. I'm able to balance my trading with other aspects of my life, like going to the gym, other hobbies, and also making these videos, which I find fun. Building the systems outlined in this video are game-changing, and it will really help you to balance your trading with your work and family commitments without burning out. Even after following the steps outlined in this video, you might be making some serious, deadly trading mistakes. So check out my previous video to avoid such mistakes.